Hey, my lovely besties. Welcome back to Quiz Slice. Today's challenge is try not to sing all the catchiest tracks, followed by guess the character through voices, all from Phineas and Ferb. So, how strong is your willpower? Think you can resist it? Let's test it out. Round 1. Can you stop yourself from singing these Phineas and Ferb bangers song?
Listen up, people, and I'll teach ya. A Phineas and Ferb in a backyard beach. A backyard beach. Nothing's out of reach. We got a backyard beach. Look at the beach. Got a backyard beach. A backyard beach. Don't fall into the breach. Got the.
With that stamp and a book, you got a real nice hook. Sounds to me like you got rhythm to spare.
Ain't got rhythm. No, I ain't got rhythm. They were screaming my name. I guess it's a shame, but I don't need to be a rock star.
Houston, we've got a situation. It's a brand new lunar day sensation. But we don't have Rocky Road.
Chicka chew up, never gonna stop. Gitchee Gitchee Goo means that I love you. This is my world, she's a rockin', but my vocabulary's incomplete. Ow, ow, and my heart starts pumping. Chicka chew up.
And a free-floating curriculum.
Can I get a syllabus, a little discipline? Judge me on a scale from A to F. Give me a grade.
I need the man giving me that.
It's been a long day, and there were moments when I doubt what you wanna do today. All we need is a place to start. If we yes, it's true. Summer belongs to you.
We could share a crepe sucre at this Parisian cafe. How perfect could this be in the city? Isn't this a perfect day? How do I look in this bed?
Treats my love like a science experiment. Brilliant heart. She's got an alien heart. She's got an alien heart. She's got an alien heart.
And you think that I'm naive, but when I get the goods on you,
Don't think you're gonna win this time, 'cause you better believe I'm gonna drop a dime on you. And when I do, you're gonna be busted. I don't wanna put the
Betty bongos and bring your Betty bass guitar. Bring baggage and come with me, sitting and crash. Get ready for the Bettys, ready for the Bettys, get ready for the Bettys.
Round 2. Guess the character is starting right now. Let's kick things up with this awesome character. Do you recognize who this is?
We shall not cease till he is found.
Great start. It's Ferb.
We shall not cease till he is found.
Next one. This is quite a cute character.
Children, thank you for your help in bringing down this villainous scoundrel. You see,
So adorable. It's me.
children, thank you for your help in bringing down this villainous scoundrel. You see,
This song was shaking the world back then. Can you guess the name of this song?
Gitchee Goo means that I love you. Gitchee Gitchee Goo means that I love you.
Bingo. It's Gitchee Gitchee Goo.
Gitchee Goo means that I love you. Gitchee Gitchee Goo means that I love you.
This character appeared a long time ago. If you recognize him, you're a real deal.
Pardon me, would your name be Swampy?
This is Swampy. Did you get him right?
Pardon me, would your name be Swampy?
One of the most iconic characters in the show. Who is this? Woohoo! It's Perry the Platypus! What a gorgeous voice! Whose voice is this?
I was just a lonely girl looking for a little fun.
Oh man, this is Candace!
I was just a lonely girl looking for a little fun.
Watch these two and tell me which one is funnier.
Awkward. Look, shoes on sale. Sorry about the tight fit, but you know, if I knew you.
Dang it! I couldn't decide. Drop your comment below so I can read your answer. This is a lovely character. Who could this be?
Oh, how can he not feel the same?
You're right. That's Isabella.
Oh, how can he not feel the same?
Eye test. Can you help Isabella find the hat? Well done! There it is! Would you rather waste your entire summer every year or like this video and subscribe to our channel? I'm pretty sure no one would waste the summer, right? One of the main characters is here. Can you guess who this is?
We could dig a tunnel under the ocean, and then we could.
Yes, yes! It's Phineas.
We could dig a tunnel under the ocean, and then we could.
Ow! The evil guy is here. Who can he be?
Try to wheel and deal with me. I get a big alimony check every month, so money's no object.
The funniest villain ever. That's Dr. Doofenshmirtz.
Try to wheel and deal with me. I get a big alimony check every month, so money's no object.
This one might be quite hard. Which character can this be?
That's why your mission is sky, weather, rain, Doofenshmirtz.
You nailed it. This is Major Monogram.
That's why your mission is sky, weather, rain, Doofenshmirtz.
Quick question for the true fan. Does Isabella have any feelings for Phineas? Who wouldn't know? She definitely does. This character is absolutely charming. Do you recognize him?
I get it. Well, yes. I could listen to you speak like that all.
Yeah, that's Jeremy.
I get it. Well, yes. I could listen to you speak like that.
Another cool character is here. Any idea who this is?
I'm a strong woman, fast talking, big bad dog, walking, highfalutin, drum beating.
Yup, that's Vanessa, Doctor. Doof's daughter.
I'm a strong woman, fast talking, big bad dog, walking, highfalutin, drum beating.
It's couple time. Choose your favorite couple in the Phineas and Ferb series. Hey, Don't forget to share your favorite below the comment. Candace's best friend. Can you guess this character?
I don't want Candace and the boys to lose you, but I also do not want my mind erased. I'm on the last 10 minutes.
Hell yeah! It's Stacy Hirano.
I don't want Candace and the boys to lose you, but I also do not want my mind erased. I'm on the last 10 minutes.
This voice is from an evil guy. Can you guess his name?
I talk to your little friends, and just so we're clear, I am not your
That's right. He's Mitch.
way. I talk to your little friends, and just so we're clear, I am not your
Can you spot the odd one out of this? That's the one. You've got a sharp eye. Woohoo! That's pretty much all of it. Thanks again for playing with us today. If you had fun, smash that like and sub. Well then, goodbye, and see you in the next quiz episode.